HackAutism was founded by the love of parents to improve the quality of life for people with autism and their families, using technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship. HackAutism equips founders with mentors who listen, with experts who give knowledge, and with families that test every idea.
ThinkUp joined this program in order to help these founders turn purpose into proof. Our platform guides them step by step, from defining the target audience to proving market demand.
Being part of the HackAutism Accelerator was an amazing experience. TrackMan reinvents morning routines for neurodivergent families by eliminating the stress of lost or forgotten items. It uses IoT to connect objects and routines. So the moment you go out of the house, you know if you forgot something.
Each team built a real business case, so their ideas could stand on both empathy and data.
We met with the startup founders every week for face-to-face workshops, and they use ThinkUp as their technological tool to learn about key concepts in the startup industry and go through a step-by-step process using their own data to create a personalized use case for their product.
Many founders, especially when they solve a personal problem, start with emotion. We help them back it up with evidence to know exactly who they built it for and why it matters.
By the end, 80% of teams validated the ideas, wrapped business framework around them, and some even secured early partnerships.
Using ThinkUp was a critical piece because it really helped me to systematically work through the process and go step by step and really get insight at every single step.
HackAutism's unique value proposition is to integrate people with autism in every step.
I didn't believe that it will become a brand that does so much impact. I wish to see a lot of new startups joining us.
We're a sandbox where tech, science, and neurodiverse minds meet together to build an ecosystem of human technological leadership.
Together in this project, we built a collaboration where empathy drives progress.
And structure makes inclusion possible.
Together with ThinkUp, we can make it faster, better, and with more impact.